Just dab it. There you go. All right. This is the Ducky One 2 Mini, which is kind of a weird name in my opinion, but Ty here thinks it's awesome.
That is really small.
It's missing most of the keys. I know, what nice packaging though.
Oh, look at that space bar.
They gave you an extra space bar?
They gave me some extra keys too.
Oh, nice.
And a key holder.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know what the cable's called. It's like USB-C, whatever. Small one.
Which we don't have. So hopefully that's not the only cable.
No, it is. It goes on the back of the keyboard, and it turns to USB.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, that's really nice. It's white on the bottom.
Which cherries did you get?
I got Cherry MX Blues. And it's white backing, so the colors like blend together, I guess. And then it's got very small. And oh, this is the free gift, I think. Oh yeah, this is I got a brown switch.
Oh, just so you can test a different type?
Yeah, this is the one I was thinking about getting. It's pretty quiet though.
Very quiet, kind of nice actually. I like this big red inner key.
And they also gave me these. Escape key. I guess you could use, I don't really know what I could use this for, I guess. Backspace. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna put on some of these keycaps. I don't really know how to do this. I want the space bar on first.
This is the little tool to remove it.
Yeah, so I think
it just goes around the edge of the keys and you just pull it off.
Yeah,
I don't know how it's gonna work for the space bar.
There's one key on either side of the space bar. There we go. There we go, we got the space bar off. Here's the Cherry MX Blue. I don't really know how to put it on.
You can just clip it in like you did, yeah. That worked, I think.
That looks good.
Yeah.
I like that. And these are pink keycaps. The pink's pretty cool. Oh yeah, actually I wanted pink. The keycaps I'm getting are purple and blue, and I think pink will look good with it.
Those almost look red. I guess they are pink.
Yeah.
They looked red when I first saw them, and they look pink now.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the backspace on. Wait.
Oh yeah, that'll work. Nice.
What are these?
That just are guides to keep it so the key doesn't rock because it's a big key.
There we go. There's the pink backspace. Should I use the escape or the Ducky logo as the escape? Or with this? Which should be my escape key?
I have no idea.
This one kind of looks cool.
I would do any of them but the escape one.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this one because it's cool looking. I don't know if that's upside down, but
no,
it looks right to me. Let me get roasted. I don't know what this key is for. I guess.
That's an inner key, no?
Yeah, but why did they?
I don't know. In case you wanted to change, I don't know. I have no idea.
I don't want that. That's kind of.
That's what it's for. It's for putting inner. Well, it's for doing it like this. Somehow.
Yeah, but the keys. Okay. The
and then maybe you
come
replace other ones. I mean, I have no idea.
I don't. Okay.
I don't know the answer to that one.
I think that's all I get.
Well, you can do the, I guess, arrows if you wanted to get rid of the ASDF or whatever your favorite is. I would just leave it ASDF personally.
I like ASDF. Yeah. Lots of ASD. this is the key.
USB.
Yeah. That plugs into there.
USB-C on the keyboard itself.
Yes. So unwrap that. This is the key. Got these little plastic caps for this. Is that upside down?
No, I think it's universal on that plug. Which is
there we
great,
go.
They
It's
finally
a pretty
fixed
small cable. Good thing I don't have to route it underneath my desk. Which is good. I think that's perfect length. It might be a little short actually. I might have to buy a new cable for this. But also, it's got short feet if I want to, or the bigger feet. They've got these rubber things on the bottom.
Yeah, it's nice.
From sliding.
And an old school jumper panel. What's
The
that?
white is kind of glossy, to be honest.
Yeah, I
And
see
the
that.
top is matte.
Go back and look at the serial number, man. It's really awesome looking. Oh, it's like this
Yeah.
engraved aluminum or something.
So here's the RGB. Sorry, my desk is a little bit dirty, but the RGB looks pretty good. Obviously, there's only one Cherry MX blue for the space bar, so there's only gonna be a little bit of light in the center. But it looks pretty good. I'm getting some rubber keycaps for 1 through 6 and WSD. It should. I like the space bar a lot. I like the dog. It's for the year of the dog. It's Chinese New Year. And that's pretty much it. It's really small. Like, oh, I think this is like pretty 1.5 feet. So there's a size comparison. It's about 1 foot long, maybe.
Cool.